Today I'm going to show you how I built a pallet bar for my pool. This was one of my favorite projects that I've ever made, and it was also one of my first. I built this 2 years ago before I had most of my tools, using only a circular saw, a drill, and a nail gun. This video is going to be a little bit different because I didn't have any footage from when I built it, just progress pictures. That being said, let's get started. This whole project started because I was trying to clean out my garage and saw my fridge from college and thought, I wonder what I can make with this. That's when the idea for the bar hit me. I started by doodling a few ideas that I had and then went to SketchUp to make a model of what it would look like to pull some measurements from. I actually made a series of models, that way I could use them to help determine what pieces go where and how the bar would actually come together. I started off by cutting out all of the pieces to size. I used a combination of 4x4s and 2x4s for the frame, and pocket hole screws to hold everything together. After the frame was somewhat put together, I moved it to its final location because I knew it was going to get a lot heavier and a lot harder to move later on, and I finished framing it in the final location. I made the bar top from a piece of 2x12, and I measured how far I wanted the overhang, used wood glue and screws from underneath to hold it in place. I then started to cut out the plywood shelves, carefully notching out so it would fit around the 4x4 posts. I got the pallets for free from a store not far from my house. They weren't the best, but I knew I could make it work. I started breaking them down and laying them out to try and find a pattern of the different thicknesses and colors that I liked. It was a giant puzzle sorting through all of the pieces and trying to find something that worked. Once it was laid out, I lightly sanded them to get the dirt and debris off, but I wanted to leave them rough looking. I brought them down to the frame and nailed them in place. I mitered the corners to give it a little bit of a cleaner look. I then stained the bar top and the top shelf with a dark color for contrast and sealed everything with a few coats of polyurethane. The last thing to do is put the fridge in place, plug it in, and relax. Ghost definitely approved of this build. Let me know what you think of the bar in the comments section, and if you like the project, please give the video a like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.